Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 5 presentation assembly. As you can see, it's Friday the 28th of May and we've done it. 7 weeks of this half term. Well done everyone, we've kept school open, we've been in every single day and we've learnt and learnt and learnt. And you'll see in a moment the number of certificates that these Year 5s have earned. So come on, let's see what we've won a certificate this morning. Our geography stars, look at this, Myth Arterton. So we've got Oliver, we've got Erica, we've got Freya, Brooklyn and Milana. Learning all about geography and all about the world. Really well done, guys. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today, you superstars. Our PE stars, look at these. Being physically active and just being super strong. Look at these guys. Look, we've got Damien, we've got Joe, we've got Erica, we've got Amber, and we've got Lily. Look at you guys, okay? Enjoying your PE, your games lessons as well, and giving it all in those lessons, as well as being really active at break and lunchtime. So well done, guys. Thank you. Keep it up. Reading superstars, Miss Arthurton's reading superstars. Now you know not only are you going home with a certificate, but you'll be going home with a reading book as well, because you are reading non-stop. So enjoy your reading books over half term, guys. So we've got Sophia, we've got Ashton, we've got Ruben, and we've got Junior. Tell me all about your books when you come back after half term, please, guys. Huge congratulations, well done. Moving on, Miss Arthurton's English superstars. These guys have been working so hard in their English and their presentation is phenomenal. Their writing is brilliant. We've got Logan, we've got Angel, we've got Ashton, we've got Adriel, and we've got Amelia. Huge congratulations, guys, working so hard in your English every single day. It's fantastic to see, and I've looked in their English books, and it is beautifully presented as well, so well done, thank you. Miss Arthurton's math superstars, mathematicians, here they are. On their times table rock star as well. They are phenomenal. Look at these guys. So we've got Sophia, we've got Summer, we've got Jessica, we've got William, we've got Xavier. Well done, Xavier. Super mathematician. Really setting out his math beautifully now as well in his math book. So really well done, guys. Enjoy taking those certificates home with you today. Brilliant. Miss Muscle Whites, here we go. Exemplary English stars. Here we go. I love this. Bit of exemplary English stars. Look. We've got Bart, we've got Goda, we've got Courtney, and we've got Oscar, and we've got Joshua, producing some exemplary English for Year 5. And some maybe the Year 6 could learn from as well, I am sure. Well done, guys. And we've got Miss Muswell's magnificent math stars. Jessica, Harley, Isabel, Leo, and Josh, working superbly in their maths and presenting it beautifully as well. So well done, you mathematician wizards. Well done. Miss Muswell, passionate PE stars. Look at this. Powerful as well. Okay, so really well done. Olivia, Cornelius, Bianca, Lamin, and Nadia. Passionate because they enjoy all their PE games. As well as that, they're really active at break and lunchtime as well. And you can see that every time. So well done. Enjoy this next week. Getting out, being super active as well. Well done. Here we go. Miss Muswell, gifted geography stars. These gifted geographies, fantastic, aren't they? So we've got Rachel, we've got Aston, we've got Deanna, we've got Janissa, and we've got Diego. Learning all about the world, all places of the world. It's fantastic to see them. They're absolutely going all around the globe, the geography globe. Hey, so well done, guys. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. Here we go. Look out, Miss Muswell, reputable reading stars, hey? Oh my word, we're getting better and better. So we've got Zane, we've got Oliver, we've got Kenzie, and we've got Gracie. And not only are you guys taking home a certificate, you'll be taking home a reading book as well, so well deserved. Keep up that reading. You'll have another book to read over half term as well. Tell me all about it when we come back after the half term holiday. Here we go, top 3 in each class, house points. Look at all these house points, guys, look. Miss Arthurton, so we've got Kieran, 91, Freya, 94, and Milana just out the top on 96. How close it is to you three. Well done, you three. And then Miss Muscle Whites, again, look at this. We've got Zane on 84, Rachel on 91, and Nadia, 101. She's topped the 100. Well done, Nadia, you superstar. Let's get those 6 standing up in class. Come on, let's give them a massive cheer, please. Big shout out for those guys. A really impressive number of house points as well. Because this, we know that. Okay, that's 505 merits. It's an amazing number of house points. So well done, Nadia, you superstar. Huge cheer for you all. Well done. Attendance league. Let's see where you Year 5s. Let's see where you're doing. Come on, let's see if we need some improvement in Year 5. Let's see. Miss Arthurton. Oh no, 13th place. Come on, guys. After half term, we've just 6 weeks until the summer holiday. Let's see if you are in Miss Arthurton's class. See if you do not miss a day for the next 6 weeks of half term, please, right? Come on, guys. Make sure you are in every single day. Moving on. So we've got Mr. Ackerman, Miss Hawkins, and Miss Begum. Still no sign of Miss Musselwhite yet. We've got Miss Ruffle, Miss White, and Mr. Davidson. God's getting. Oh, look, there's Miss Musselwhite in joint 4th place. Well done, Miss Musselwhite, along with Mrs. Cook. So really close there. So really well done, Miss Musselwhite. And again, next 6 weeks, let's be in every day because I know Miss Musselwhite want to keep moving up. So look, joint 2nd. Look how close you were as well. Only a point in it from being 2nd. It's got Miss Marshall and Miss Percy's, but way out in the lead still. Miss Hall, reception. If reception children can be in every single day, you year 5s can. Come on, year 5s. Move yourselves up that leaderboard. Oh, Miss Arthurton, got to catch up with Miss Musselwhite because I know Miss Musselwhite will be looking towards the top as well. So well done, all of you. Keep being in and keep being in over the next 6 weeks after half term, please. Come on. Well done, everyone. Fantastic half term. Really was a fantastic half term. You see that by all those certificates. Enjoy this next week off. Enjoy the weather. It's improving eventually. Thank you, guys. Brilliant. The sun will be out and it will be a bit warmer, so we can really get out and enjoy the weather as well. We come back on Monday the 7th of June. We've got 6 weeks until the summer holiday. So until that, everyone, bye-bye now.